So basically, you have your whole motive is right now to get the project either in your local machine so that you can run on your local machine, or there is one better way these days available. We have run machine in the cloud server, run the code in cloud server. So I will tell you one very great feature of GitHub that I have been using it for my project, right? So yeah, I will show you that. So go to the feedback hub. This is the project you will need, right? So for that, you have to click on fork. You can click on fork. I have already forked from my other account, but you can click on fork and just fork it. So it will, you can now call it by any name. Last day we called it demo, but let's call it right. Once you create, just I will copy this. I want all the branches. So I will do this and I will create fork. Right. Once you forked your project, it will be in your repository. Here, your name will be shown. So this project is totally yours. Like whatever contribution you will make, this will be from your end. So what you can do, you can go to this place, code, copy this, right? One way is this. You can copy this, or if you have GitHub desktop, you can use that. Copy this and go to your desired folder, whatever is your desired folder, right? Whatever, maybe let it be downloads, right? So here we have created node on desktop. We have created like my new project. I have created last day, but I will create one more time. If you need here your new project that you have just forked from GitHub or someone else repository. So I will open in the terminal, and once you get open in terminal, you just have to type git clone and paste it. It is so fast. Your project is cloned inside your local machine. It may depend on your internet speed, but you will get it, right? So you will get the project and you just have to either you can open directly from here with Visual Studio Code, or and go to your terminal and just type code over there, code, and it will automatically open in your Visual Studio Code. But is there any easier way to do the same thing? Like let's say you don't want to run your code on your local machine. You just wanted everything to be in cloud or everything on the internet. You don't want it to open inside your local machine and work on the project, right? Right. So is there any easier way to do that? So there is a very powerful tool developed by GitHub known as CodeSpaces, right? So we can use that. We can use GitHub CodeSpaces. So I will go to my original project and I will try to open this one in our code space. Let's see. So I will go to click this code, and there is option of code spaces. See, GitHub code spaces is the virtual repository, right? Virtual computer sitting in your cloud or sitting in the server of GitHub itself. So I have already opened it. It will also give you option to create a new one on the same branch or different branch. But I have already opened, so I will open it over there. So no matter on which computer you are, no matter which laptop you are, it will open in code spaces, and code spaces run pretty faster than your local machine if you have low capability, low computing devices. So you can change the computing power over here in code spaces. So code spaces is just Visual Studio Code in cloud, right? So everything is same, right? So you have created your project, you have get your project, you have cloned your project, right? And you can run it. I have not made a lot of changes in this. So first check Java mean Java. You have to go through this, and then you can just run your project. It is already it is loading. Let it load it first. Then we can move on. So project is running. So you can see that server is started and the output that we wanted. This is feedback app and this is running properly. You have option of branches and all. So I will create a new branch. I have already created database connection, right? I've already created one branch over here. Later on, I will merge it with my main branch, right? So this is my database connection branch and I will work over there. We have to connect our database, right? I guess I have already connected my Mongo database with it. I have to check once. Okay, I'm stopping recording. There's people like you can clear the doubt in next session. Let's discuss first that what we need. What database you guys want to use, like MongoDB or